There is a diagram on classroom walls in every country explaining how planes fly. NASA lists it under incorrect theories, and a century after the Wright brothers, the world's aerodynamicists still cannot agree on a simple answer to replace it. The story: a wing is curved on top, so air above hurries over the longer route. Faster air, lower pressure, lift. Nothing in physics requires those two parcels to meet at the far edge, and they don't. The top air arrives first. Paper airplane's wing is flat, identical top and bottom, and flies fine. Aerobatic planes fly inverted for minutes at a time. For that story to hold, a wing's top would need to be 50% longer. Nobody builds that. So, what is happening? Put your hand out of a car window and tilt it up. Air is shoved down, and your hand rises. That is Newton's third law, and it does not care about shape. If a wing turns air downward, it makes lift. One estimate: a small Cessna pushes down 2.5 tons of air every second. Its wake can roll another plane inverted. So the downwash is real and measurable. But Newton has a hole too. He never explains the top of the wing. Above every flying wing sits a region of lower pressure. And Bernoulli never says how the air up there got faster. An MIT fluid dynamicist answers this: if the air flew off straight, it would leave a literal vacuum behind it. That vacuum drags it back onto the curve and pulls on air ahead. The air is fast because it was pulled. A Cambridge aerodynamicist disagrees. A Boeing engineer wrote 500 pages and called 16 of them the hardest thing he ever wrote. His answer: 4 things happen at once, and none of them is the cause. They hold each other up simultaneously. So how did anyone build a plane? By measuring. In 1901, bicycle makers watched their glider badly underperform. It made 1/3 of the promised lift. They built a wind tunnel and found a constant unquestioned for 150 years. They flew without understanding lift. Tilt any wing past 15 degrees and it still stalls, whatever story we tell about it.